CONCAT function is used to combine text. This function has 254 arguments. In text 1 argument, select the text string or range to be joined to a single text string. You can join multiple text strings by using other arguments. Click Cancel. To generate full name of employees, combine two text strings, first name and second name. Activate this cell. Click text arrow button. Click CONCAT function. In text 1 argument, select this cell reference. Enter comma, quoted mark, press space key, again quoted mark, enter comma, click this text string. You can see two texts are joined and there is a space between them. If you do not press space key, there will be no space between two text strings. Press space key. Click OK. CONCAT function returns full name Joe Rex. Paste the formula in other cells. Double click. I have joined two text strings. You can join more than two text strings. To generate employee ID, activate this cell. Click CONCAT function. For employee ID, I combine first name and age of employees. Click this cell, enter comma, click this cell reference. If you do not enter comma in this argument, you will get only one cell value in this cell. You can add multiple cell references range, cell references, strings by entering comma in a function argument. Click OK. CONCAT function joins first name and age. Paste the formula in other cells. Double click. In this way, you can join the text.